Hello there. I want to show you how you can design this simple church flyer design. You just watch it and practice. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe. So now here is the folder that we have all the things inside. I like dropping them as a link in the description. So check the description of this video. You see a link to get access to this folder where you can get all the resources, the fonts. You just have to download them and go ahead and use it for your design. So that is it. And then this is my Coreldraw. Open here. So I'll just go ahead and click on new document. So click on new document. It's going to show like this. Just give it a name. Yeah, then put this at RGB, keep this at 555, keep this at inches, and then this should be here, this should be here, and then you're done. So click OK. It's going to give you a box. So we are going to quickly import those these resources. That's the picture. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and import it. So now let's go to your file, go to import. Quickly hold your control key, pick the first picture, the second picture, the third picture, and the fourth picture. Yeah, and when you're done with that, release your hand from your control key, click on import. It's gonna show like this. So just be dragging one after the other. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have this. We're gonna keep this here, increase this to be very big because that's what we're replicating. So just keep it there. Yeah. So now this is the background. It's just two background. I mean the design is just gonna be simple. We don't have much background. We have the logo. So now here is empty. We're gonna add a box here, so that we're putting everything, our elements, inside the box and creating the design. Because here right now, this one was like a box too. We had everything inside of them because there's no box here. Just come here, double click here, quickly, just double click. It's going to automatically add a box. You can see what's happening. It's adding a box. Now drop your two means, come back here and click on this one. Yeah. So come back and click on this two to drop your two. So when you have this, you can see you have a box. Then now the first background is going to be this. So we come here, keep this outside like this. Don't let it go inside, just keep it outside. Right click on it and then choose power clip inside. We're going to power clip it inside the box that we just drew. So click on it, it's inside. This one again, right click, power clip inside again. This one too, the same thing, but let's leave it there. Let's go work with the two that we just power clip inside. So click on the box again. You will now see this option, edit. Go ahead to the edit, shift this out, and then increase this. Do not increase an image from here by the side or from the top like this. No, that's not good. That's not good. Do not do that. You're going to spoil the image. So use the edges like this, like this, like this, and like this to maintain the size of the image. So just increase this very big, keep it like this. That's good. Just don't make this blue line, don't make any object be like this. All the objects should fit the blue line. Yes, so that when you finish it like this, you're gonna have a nice look. So you're gonna leave some extra spaces. You understand what I'm saying? So that's it. So you're already seeing what you're having. It's actually nice. So now the next thing we are going to be doing is that we'll still go inside the power clip, and then this one now we just have to increase it again, then place it on top of it. Make sure that you power clip this one first and this one is second. You keep this one like this on top of it. You can see what I'm doing there. Just keep it on top of it. Now you see it's actually covering. If I finish now, you see what's inside the box. It is actually covering the other background. You understand? So we are going to go ahead and work on that very well. So it's actually covering. So how can you make it to show like this one now? You see, it's showing. It's showing. Yeah. So let me show you how to do it. Just go edit, edit like this. Click on it, edit, and then you can go ahead and click on this one. Now there's something called transparency. You're going to reduce the transparency to see through this design. So come here after clicking on the element, that's the background, click here, and then you just have to scroll down below it. You're going to see something like, just set this to something like 35, enter key. Yeah, it's already 35. You can see 35, and you can now see through the design. Right, you can see through the design. Yes, you can see through the design. So finish, you see you already have something like this looking nice. So that's great. Alright, so if you have done that, Congratulations. Okay, so now we're actually done. So now let's just put the logo right. So now before we start writing the text, so now when you have this logo like this, just go ahead and trace it because we need to take out the background. So click on trace bitmap, click on outline trace. When you click on outline trace, go ahead to detailed logo, click on it. Quickly, it's going to take out the white part and then keep the colored part for you. So you can see this. Just wait and be looking over here, it's estimating, and quickly it's going to be done. Okay, so right now you can see it is done. Yeah, it is done. So when it's like this, just go ahead and click on specify, yeah, and then click OK. You see, you have this. So now if you just try to take this out, you notice that you're going to be having two images, the original one and the one you just trace. So we're going to delete the original one. Just delete this one out, we don't need it. Now this one, we actually need it right now. So when you have this like this, we're going to ungroup because this element is something that was a picture. So when you trace the bitmap, it's now like a shape grouped together. So we're just going to go ahead and click on this, ungroup all objects, click on it. Yeah, ungroup all objects. Then we're going to click this part, take this part out. You can delete this part, just be clicking on the white part and be deleting it. You can see what I'm doing. Yeah, just be deleting the white part only, the white part, the white shapes only, till we get our logo out. Alright, great. So you see we have this. Now this is something that you can change the color. So just go ahead and highlight everything like this from outside, and then come here, group it again. Great. Now reduce the size from here, take it inside here like this. Yes, and then paint it with this red color here, then increase it and just leave it there to the center like that. When you are done with this, now we're going to go ahead and start writing the text. But before write the text, we need to install our fonts. So remember, these are the fonts that we need to install. Two of them is here. So just open it, you're going to see it. So just go ahead and do what I'm going to be showing you now. So let's start with this one first. Yeah, highlight the two, just select all. Like you can press here to select all. Anyhow you want to do it, you can just select all, everything, or you just make sure that everything inside is selected. Right click. When you right click, you're gonna look for the option install for all users. Click on it and quickly the font is going to be installed inside your system. So highlight everything, right click, install for all users, and here we are good to go. So we are done with that. Do the same thing for the Gotham font, which is here. Do the same thing, you select all, you understand? Yeah, just make sure you do the same thing. Once you select all, you still have to right click, and then once you right click, you still have to select install for all users. That's what's going to make you work. So without that, you can't install any fonts in your system. So just make sure that you have the font and you go ahead and click install for all users. It's going to work, and then that will be fine. So let's go back to our design. So we have this. Yeah, we are back. So now we're going to write our text. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this from here. Let's go ahead and copy this. I will just come back to my design so I can paste it right here. So I'll just come back, click on my text tool here. Once I click on my text, I just click once, then do Ctrl V. It's going to paste it like this. Once you paste it like this, drop tool first, come here, and then type in that font that we installed, the headline bold font. You have to type in because that's what you're going to be using for this one. Then you go ahead and pick the bold. Then you have this. So when you have this, move this here. Just make sure you increase it, and then we have to take this from glory down. So just double click to edit it, take it down, and then increase it to be big like this. Now there's a gap here, so we're going to close this gap. To close this gap, this is what you're going to do. Click on the text, come over here, shape tool, and then use this and take it up like this. You understand? Yeah, if you've done this, congratulations, you're doing good. So yeah, that's it. And then after this, now we're going to change the color. So the color we are changing, we're going to change again to a milky color, not really white. So a color like this, Yeah, we're gonna just click here like this. We'll click here. You see this guy called eyedropper? We're gonna click on it and bring it to this color. You see, it's not white, just a milky color. Yeah, I think it's somewhere here too, so not a white. So we're gonna click that. We're gonna use this one instead. Use the pale yellow color instead. This one that is here. So that's it. And then after this, we need to add a shadow to this. You can see shadow is added here. We need to also add the same thing. So when you click on the text, go to where you have shadow here. Once you click on your shadow tool, just have to drag here like this. Yeah, just drag down like this slowly. So just make sure that you set this to be at 2. Let's try 2. Yeah, set it to be at 2, and then you can actually increase this, yeah, up to 100. Good. So set this to 2, set this to 100, leave this at what? Normal, and that's cool. So when you're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and click on this again. We'll just click once. We'll just go ahead and copy something and come into the design. We'll just paste it, bring it here, reduce the size again, small. Then we'll just go ahead and place it up here. Make sure that it's aligned to the logo. You understand? Just make sure everything is. Just try to shift it to make sure that it's, you know, straight. So this, we're gonna be using the Gotham. So we just search for Gotham here. Yeah, enter key. It's gonna work. But the Gotham, the Gotham font that we are gonna be using, this is the one that we are gonna be using. The Gotham book. This one we're gonna be using for the present, and that's great. So we increase the size a little bit. Change the color to white. That's great. Alright. Good. Now we have to write the church name. To write the church name, you can still click once, go to the content, so you can go and get this. This is the church name. Yeah. So this is a church name. You can just go ahead and copy it, paste it, you understand, and then drop your tool, reduce the size like this, shift it here. Then we'll go ahead and use the headline. So just click and search for the headline again. Yeah, this is what we're going to be using. So just make it to be in the center, move it to be in the center. Yes, move it to the center like this. Fix it on red color as you did, and that's great. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is that we are going to go ahead and write the next text, which is this. So we'll just go ahead and copy this, copy, or let's just click here, come back to the content, copy this, paste it, drop the tool, change the font to the same that carries Gotham book. Okay, so you reduce it like this, bring it down. That's okay, and the color has to be on white. That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. And then the next thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to be drawing a line. We're going to be drawing lines. So you can come here, see this tool, hold it, just click and hold it. Yeah, go to tool line, 2 point line, then just drag like this. Just drag to the right. Then come up here, set it to be 2. Right click on a white color, because to set a color, just like saying, look at this now, I have a box now. If I click on this, if I left click on the color, it's adding a color for the view. But if I right click on the color, it's adding a color to the white outline. Yeah, you can see. If I right click, it's adding a color to the outline. Right clicking on this color, so I add it to the right line. So we are going to be adding a color to this line now. So we'll go ahead and right click on white. Great. And once you have done that, you can actually duplicate this shape. Do Control D. Control D. It's going to duplicate it. You now move it and place it like this. You understand? Yeah. You can actually group everything together and move it and keep it like this. Yes, when you're done with that, we are just going to write the text inside it. Yes, so we'll just have to click this, duplicate it, or we'll still do what we need to do. Click once, copy the content, paste it. That's great. Drop to, reduce it. Need to break it from here. Break it. Still have to break it. So I'm gonna change the font to the headline font they use over here. Okay, I think so. It's a headline font. Yeah, I think it's this. Okay, so the color goes for white. You can see the spacing there is too much, so we'll just click here and squeeze it up like this. You understand? Squeeze it up, reduce the size. Then for this one, we have to change the name to this. Yeah. So we'll just increase small. Okay, but I think we should use Gotham font for the dates. We're gonna be using this. Gotham something like this. Yes, something like that. So we'll just keep it simple. Okay, so I think with that, we're gonna separate this text. Each night we're gonna separate it. So to separate it from the time, do Control K, Control plus K. This is gonna separate. Or you right click and yeah, just do Control plus K. Like Control K is gonna cut this text from being grouped together like this inside one box. So just do Control K. It's gonna cut it like this. So you can click on this one and reduce it like this. You understand? Yeah. Just to make everything look good, you can reduce it again. Keep it there. So after the next thing, we just have to go and copy the location. Yeah, we'll just duplicate this one text, take it here, double click, paste the other one. Okay, we'll break it from here. Alright, we'll break it from here again. Alright, then we want it to be on center alignment, so we'll come here, center. We'll now reduce the size small. I will now place it here like this. You understand what I'm trying to do there? Now place it somewhere like that. Yeah, that's it. I think winner chapel should also be included to the name. So I'll just have to double click. Okay, that's great. So just shift it up like this, and then we can still come here and copy the dates like this. No, we'll copy it, and then we'll come here. We can duplicate this, Control D, bring it here, remove the whole of this, paste the other one. We'll now break it from here to the next line, and then we'll now increase this. Yes, so we increase this, we shift it inside, and then we are good to go. So design is almost done. So you can see how we get to achieve this. Yeah, you can see how we get to achieve this. So when you're done, keep it this way. You can see exactly the same thing. So when you're done now, you see there's a line here on your box. So you right click on this to remove the line. Right click, it's going to take out the line. You can see the line is no more. Right click on it. Remember, it's right click. Right click on the line, it's going to take it off. So after this, everything now, we are going to be exporting everything. So just make sure you delete this one. Take this one out now because we are done. Take this one out. So we now have this. You can see how the design look like. So I believe with this you have understand how to design something like this in your Coreldraw. So thank you for watching.